Alright, y'all, I'm gonna give you a few seconds. Okay. Hey everyone, this is Omar, Wright, and today we're gonna continue developing our game in Godot Engine, our turn-based RPG game. I have made very little progress since the last time I streamed this, and the stream's down now because the copyright with the music. We should be good today. We should be good today with the music we play. I got copyright-free music. So this is gonna be a nice, chill live stream. If it's too loud, let me know. Because it's like 2 hours worth of music before it stops playing or loops. Let me see if I can get it to, because I'm using media player. And I'm not sure if it naturally loops or not. There it is. I got it to loop. Alright, so I tried to reset up this character, and what ended up happening, unfortunately, is its root, its associated root got messed up, so I had to redo everything that I did for this character, all of these animations. Yep. Yeah. So it's gonna be a tedious one. So prepare for that. It's gonna be mainly me doing this and reading the chat. And I can't just reassociate it. I guess trash that. Property. It's going to be 2D. It's going to be frame coordinate. Hope y'all weekend's doing well. Besides this, my weekend's been pretty nice. Just got finished hanging out with my buddy, and we went to hot pot and barbecue place. It's crazy how those get popular more than actual buffets where they cook the food and put it in front of you. Because that place was packed. I mean, like, crazy packed. Is it item bottom left, right there? I can understand the jealousy. I rarely go there because it's so expensive to eat there. Nice. Man, the second one popped up here, they all come at once. It's kind of weird. I didn't think it would be that popular, but it is. Price by the meat. Okay. Just charge a lot. Why do they have to make it more complicated? Wait, I can easily see it getting way too expensive. It wasn't a huge variety at this one either. The options was either like, I like the J-Pot because they offer lamb as one of the meat options as well. I didn't know I like lamb as much until I ate it at this type of place. And they made some mean ass lamb. Yeah, it was extremely tender, even though it was cooked well done. There's a bottle left. Spicy pork belly for me. I can't do regular pork belly unless I'm gonna coat it in the sauce from the sauce bar. Like it had to be spicy, or it's gonna taste like it's not seasoned to me. This is gonna be top right. Oh man, that would be amazing. Usually, if they do garlic marinated anything, it's usually the beef. Ouch. Drop my controller. Hold up. Okay. I don't know why is every time I stream sirens. copy this? Nope. Okay. It's loud as hell to me, and I got headphones on. It's good to know you didn't hear it. 5. Doing these animations and stuff. The walking is what takes the most time. It's weird jamming to this music. I have not listened to any of this prior to us streaming. Yeah, and I ain't getting alerts yet, so we should be golden. I might, most likely as we progress, I'll probably get more tracks and then add it to the mix so we can stream and have it sorted so it can be like different days. You have different tracks you can listen to. Trying to remember what this is called, but it's it was actually a YouTuber that made these tracks for people to stream with. Well, a Twitch streamer. He's mainly streams on Twitch, but he does YouTube as well. Sorry, I got a little distracted. Right. So he learned how to mix music just so he can do that. So he can have music on his own streams that don't get copyrighted. Because sometimes it won't be copyrighted. And then they get it copyrighted later. If you know what I mean. Like, they first, like, stuff that they streamed like a long time ago that was copyright free and royalty free, they suddenly became copyrighted. So he's just like, you know what? Screw this. Because I just need songs to play in the background. Right there. Well, the cool thing about me doing these game dev live streams is I can do this when I travel. So I'll get my laptop set up so that I can still live stream when I travel. And probably get a case for this microphone. Because my laptop can handle the game deving, but it can't handle like playing these games at a certain resolution and then streaming it. That's fine. And this is top left. Oh boy. I also learned that I can actually just right click and open documentation. I'm not sure I learned this, show this last stream, but I can actually just do this and get all the properties and stuff. I don't have to open up the online one. If I have a specific question about something, I can just do this and get my questions answered. Trying to show y'all how dope it is to have 8 directions, since it's very rare to see games with 8 directional animations for walking. Another thing I'm proud of today was I updated the address on my driver's license, the thing I've been neglecting to do for a couple months now. I'm proud of myself. It's only because it came out of a recent issue when it comes to like, oh, okay. Gotta. And I didn't realize how important the address on your license is until like some recent things when I tried to purchase and to verify myself for things like I'm planning on buying a house soon. And they want to make sure you can verify your address and stuff like that. Or it also came out when I went to purchase things like alcohol. Or stuff for my business as well. Yeah, it just makes it a lot easier. It makes a lot of things easier. Yeah, liquor. I had one experience. And it's hard for me to remember that experience because it's one of those things. It's just like this never happening again type of deals. But I also with my job went working for a security company. When I go to certain facilities and stuff like that, they want to make sure I have the up-to-date address when they do background checks. Alright, that should be everything. That's this animation. That animation. Clamp, air loop, okay. That should be working, and we shouldn't have a problem now when we hit play. Okay. It's not switching animation, so we can go to scripting now. So, what is happening? That's not happening. One, it's not printing me anything. Because I'm not an output. It's supposed to be printing this out. Hold up. And OBS. Capture cursor. Thank you. Y'all can see it now, right? So here, it's supposed to be printing this, but it's not printing it. Now y'all can follow more easily what I'm doing. I want you to print. Okay. It's pretty. I just gotta learn how to navigate this. Alright, it's walking. So now I want you to print idle. If we're idling, and walking when we're walking. To make sure this is working. Yeah, so we're having a problem with our walking animation. So playback should be our animation nodes, state machine, playback. Player, playback. Okay. So we get it here, and we're doing our walk. If we go to the animation tree, here, if we go to walk, it should still be set to it's changing animations. So the animations are here. It's just not changing them. So it's walk. Oh, that's not functioning properly. Oh, it's walking up. Okay. There has to be a simpler way. How do I switch immediately? Does it sync? Immediate, advanced, mode, auto, disable, enable. Is it disable and disable? What is this? Turn on auto advance. Become a Boolean. I will control from code, for example. Parameters, conditions, idle. Okay. Alright, we're getting weeds of it. I wish they provide examples of it being used. How does it play this? Nothing. Okay. Animation tree. Let's have a variable for is moving. Is it a Boolean equal to false? Oh. There it is. Yes, moving. Don't tell me it's because it's lowercase. Hold up. Let me. they're capitalized. So it works for idle, but it's not working for walking. Why is that? Change this to walk. Yeah, it has something to do with walking. Yeah, it's not walking. It must be something wrong with the animation. But what could it be? How do I clear this? So it plays correctly here, but it's not transitioning. It's not playing anywhere else. So this plays here. This isn't playing. Why aren't you playing? Transitions. this is the part of working in a new engine I don't like. Just trying to figure out why things are doing things that they're not supposed to be doing. So we're getting input. So we're getting input where it sets everything. And we're putting what the velocity is. And it prints idle if we're idle. This should be traveling. Well, it's not it's not spelled like that, it's spelled like this. I wonder, is there a way I can just select this and see what the character is doing? No. I don't have any UI for this. I don't know why this error message is popping up. Editor. Directional walking Godot. We'll solve this tonight. I guess I gotta specify animation tree. This is not helpful. Something drastic. print the playback just so I can see, is it walking? Okay, that's the playback. Where's the playback at? Parameters. Can I look it up? Using, okay. Just so y'all can see what I'm looking at. Okay. Can I look more into this? And how are we using this in this script? First set it and then do that. Oh man, this is so fucking frustrating. Why is it not So it'll print playback, but it won't get note. Okay. Get. It returns void. If I didn't put anything. Transition to. That should be valid, and I should not get an error. Animation tree dot get animation. Something that returns a string. This is the problem. Oh yeah, this is going to walk. Okay. Okay, I can't just play walk. Seems like I'm gonna have to code my own thing. Trying to follow a tutorial and what it ends up getting me. We're gonna have to wing it. Alright. Get rid of this. Speed is not exported. Gonna leave this as 100. We're gonna do our own thing. So we have the animation tree here. That's the right one. Our sprite 2D. Which is sprite 2D. So what I'm gonna do from now on is, if I am grabbing variables from outside the scope of this, I'm going to organize it like that. Variables I'm leaving open, I'm going to leave like that. Things that are reference to stuff will be below that. That way it's easier to read. Going to plays once at start. So I assume it does. Get input. Physics process. So I like to have things that are native to the software, no matter what, at top. It's just like native methods to Godot. Displays every frame. Because you get a lot of, I got a lot of like some people arguing on Reddit. Well, I was just reading. I was reading earlier as I was going to the tutorial. Is people argue whether or not you should be using this tree at all for 2D instead of for 3D. And I was like, dude, it's just a blend space. It's just supposed to automatically, as you see here, switch between these sprites instead of you doing it by code and saying like, hey, when the input is this, switch to this. If the input is that, switch to that. And you do this, it's like you have this is already coded in user engine to do the switching. As you're seeing how it works with the animation here with the idle. It's just a problem that we're having is it's not switching between idle to walking. So something so simple, like it's easy to do like movement, but what's hard is getting the animations to trigger at their appropriate inputs. So the first thing I want to do is get the input, and it's self-evident that we want to get the input. We want to set velocity based upon the input direction. And then print the velocity to make sure that we actually normalize it, and we do. So I don't need this anymore. So selecting animation. I want I want to select it based upon the velocity first. So we're idle. I do want the playback, which I'm assuming this is what this is over here. Parameters playback, and it's hard for me to get any documentation on it. And that's a callback. Let me it's best if y'all actually see a contrast with another engine so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So we go to Unreal Engine, right? So this is the version that I typically use. What's great about this a little bit is I can look up flipbooks, for example. It'll say paper 2D. It's going down here. It's going to show me it's just basically what I'm looking for, right? It even has guides and starting off with flipbooks and stuff like that. So I can go here and click flipbook, for example. I get all of this information about it, even like how to set up using blueprints, right? I click on that, it gives me an example of them adding it, what properties you should be adding, editing and stuff like that, right? Even goes as far as to show you how to connect nodes and what things you can search up for it. Like sprites, inputs, update animation. And you're like, hey, what's update animation? Hey, it's right here. This is what I'm doing right here. Here's the code for it. Simple and straightforward, and an actual example of it updating. So what's frustrating with me with Godot is going through this and being like, hey, this isn't that helpful. You know, this is different. We're coding the thing instead of using blueprints, but most people that get into something Which makes sense because this is open source versus Unreal actually makes money from everybody using their engine. But it's so interesting seeing the contrast between the amount of information you get. And Unreal Engine 4 is the old version. We're on 5 now. Player change. Don't know what that means. No path, expression. Tree root. I'm trying to find this. Search Godot. Alright. So I want to look up animation playback. Animation tree playback. Animation mixer, animation. I guess I had to read this. And this is, for example, for a third-person shooter. This is all the information I get. One shot request. C#. Time seek, time scale. Start transitioning. This is all I get. Parameters, transitions. So I'm guessing that's what they're doing in this tutorial. This is a setting. Right. Setting the blend position. But are we setting... I guess I gotta look into travel, right? I want to use these. Let's go to the advanced condition, enable, switch, advance, enable, hit save, hit the pause, hit the play, it crashes. Oh, this is spelled wrong. Okay. I'm surprised I didn't catch that earlier. But we shouldn't need this now. Because we're walking. And we're not walking. Let's hit play, walk. It crashes. So that's not how you do that. Okay. We're just gonna fly by our wings. Animation tree. I want to see, is it actually transitioning? And I have no idea what any of this advanced stuff means. More on this later. When it's later, put a link here. Just to show y'all what I mean. Right here it says more on this later, not a link to where the more on this is. So playback. So what I'm going to do is delete this and delete that and delete this and see if we can just walk, period. I think there's something wrong with the node. Come on. There you go. It's all the same. But you're not walking at all. Like it happens here, but it doesn't happen in code. We'll get rid of that. I want to comment that out, that out, that out, that out, this out, and this. I just want you to walk. And it's working. Okay. So it's a playback travel that's screwing everything up. Okay, that's progress. What if I get rid of this entirely? So there's nothing wrong with the animation, it's my code. Okay, we're cooking. So animation tree. Delete that. Let's see if we can get it to idle. Cool, we got it to idle. But now it's not doing it when we hit idle. Hey, Control Z. Okay. Control S. And I ain't traveling. Okay. not getting this. If I get rid of walk travel. So travel does something, but I'm not sure what it does and how it works. Input direction. It might be the entire time it's something wrong with the player. Man, once we learn this thing that's going on here, we're never gonna unlearn it. Print input direction. Oh, my hip. I'll be right back. Got me my Coke. Got a Coke orange cream. I'm not sure any of y'all had that. Tastes just like a, yeah. I'm happy about it too. Playback walking. I might go to the store because I forgot to go grocery shopping today. And get me a whole case of it. So we're transitioning to walking without this. No, just delete what I had. Does this work still? You should be returning to idle. Do this. What if I just do that? Nope, that's not working. So I do want these two here. It's just this trowel part. I cannot explain it to you. How is it working? But we got it working this way. This works. I don't know why, but it works. I understand there's no self-control over coats. I'll drown myself in the bottle. I'll drink the entire bottle if I had a bottle. I can kind of control myself when I have cans. Yep, this works. Can't tell you how it works, but it works. There's probably gonna be some tutorial that tells me later that it does how it does what it do. I wonder if I can move this here and it will still play the right. Nope. Hey, Dayhawk. Literally, I don't know how this works, but I got it to work. I understand that. Going for another sentiment. But hey, we got the character moving. So we can move on. So we want to go back to the main scene. I want to import texture map. Okay, that's not where I want to use, but okay. And this is going to be, I think, a tile map. There's a node 2D for sure. Tile map. Tile map layer, I guess. And then the tile set will be this. I guess not. New tile set. Time for me to bumble around and find out. Pickle juice is really good for you. Yes, I want that. Line, draw, rendering, square, physics layer, shape, square, rendering, okay. Resource, terrain set, physics set. Okay. Why would I use multiple layers when I could just use tile map that you told me not to use? Yeah, I can have multiple layers. Okay. Texture, inherent, transform. Okay. Godot, how to use tile map. Okay, so we go to tiles and drag it. This time it has no resource configured. Go to the tile set, bottom panel to add one. Okay. Set. Nope. Save assets. Yeah, test assets. New tile set. Rendering. Square resource. Bottom of the editor. Okay, I did that. First, you must create additional layers above. Blah 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 blah. Just so y'all know, you look up here using tile maps. This assumes you have created and downloaded a tile set already. If not, read using tile sets first. You'll need a tile set to create this. Say, okay, use this. Okay. Tile mat layer. Okay. Is that why you're telling me to do that? Okay, we did that. And open up the panel and drag it onto the panel. We'll ask whether or not you want to use this. Okay. It didn't do the thing. But where do I drag this? It says open the tile set panel at the bottom of the editor. Ah, there it is. This is tile set. I was on tile map. Okay. Sure. Erase. What if I select? No. Okay. Oh boy. It's a lot of reading. Because this is not organized. Trying to find a way to add certain things together. Because I can erase. But I can't create. I want to add these together. It does it individually. Yeah. I can paint with it. Okay. Multiple tile sets. Somebody text me? Select this. When selecting multiple tile selection, okay. Simultaneously useful and useless. Just not modulate. Texture origin. Nope. Setup. I'm probably gotta view a lot. It's nothing but challenges. I don't want this to be different texture tiles. I want this to be the same tile. Like I can see I can select it, but hold shift, okay. There we go. Oh boy. This is gonna be rough. Rough development. And then we can select or paint. Erase this. Where's my layer selection? I just had it. This pattern, terrain, no. Erase. There it is. So there must be a way to do the filtering. I got this far. Okay, this should be a different layer. Alright, now I'll have a nice field to walk through. Hey! Hey, Clinton. We're just over here playing around. Ordering, this should be, say 5. So it should be on top. Should be moving around. Yes, we will do ordering, Y, sorting. But we can tell the camera to the player, but I probably won't do it here. To let the camera know, we're gonna add the camera to the player. Now that we have this, we now have a player moving in the scene. Erase that, that, and that. So this layer has Y sorting, but this one didn't. So rendering, we're gonna do ordering. That's where it was. Y sorting. So now when we paint these trees in, got the erase. It should spawn behind them. Yes, we did it. And this should spawn in front. Cool, we got a forest. And we can place flowers. Part 1 done. Signposts as a layer like that, but we're just trucking along. So now I'm trying to test out Y sorting. Oh, this is the tree layer. The foliage layer. This is everything else. This might be better in the top layer. Our little play island. There we go. Now we just gotta do some Y sorting, so we can appear behind stuff. Gotta figure it out. For these trees, I want to appear behind these trees. So it'll be Godot Y sorting. So we need to add a tile map node. And make this a child, make this a child. Okay. Will this work? That's not working. Control, we can. Oh, okay. So what's happening while these sink in is because it's enabled by the center of the object. Since our center is right here, we're having an issue. It worse. This is going to be something we're going to have to investigate. Is it tile map layer? Props. TML. Background for now. Yeah, that needs to be enabled. Y sorting here is enabled. Do it need to be the same layer? Oh, that's not gonna work out. So that'll be 1, and this will be 1. There we go. So now we can walk through the forest. But got a problem here. So flowers and stuff. And we can't climb on that. But hey, we're making progress. Duplicate. Set this for flowers. Actually, trees. I'll delete the trees here. And sun. Actually, that should be correct. And this should be 0. And tree stump. Trees. Flowers, we just walk on top of them. Cool. We're actually learning. There has to be a simpler way of doing this. So I don't have to go through here. Set up. I want to paint a physics layer, so I don't have any. So physics. Is it in the tile set? Physics layer, add one. There we go. So I want to paint physics layer. Gonna paint that there and the tree stump. And we want to stop here. Here. I wish this snaps. It partly does. Half pixel. There it is. And this we want halfway through it. There we go. There we go. So that should be reflected on all the layers. So if we go here, we can't walk past the stump. And we can't walk through the sign. Cool. But we can walk through the forest. Okay, and background we want to be able to walk how do I paint collision? First we need a physics layer, right? Terrain set. I don't know what any of this means. Gonna have to do some research. But we made a lot of progress today. We got the world, we have forest, we have actual player movement. See if we can. I think next I'll have to find out how to add collision to this. Collision to tile map layer. Godot. I don't think I'd do it that way though. I feel like I remember it's collision. I think it's collision shape 2D, and then it's not a world boundary shape. It might be. Nope, that's not it. Delete. It's a collision of some sort. Is it a polygon? Delete. We did physics layer. Physics material. Rendering. Maybe it was 2D. 2D shape. Collision for tile map. Godot. That's tile map. Nope. Collision for 2D world. Godot. I know about the bodies. I know about the rigid body. Character. World boundary. I think with this I can't walk past. Yep, can't walk past. Can't walk past it. So Where is it? Open documentation. Look like I'm gonna have to read my arch nemesis. Is it a tile map layer? I'm gonna have to do some research, which I am looking forward to. Well, it's getting late. Gonna have to call it a night. I appreciate y'all coming to see me live stream the game development. Chances are I'm probably going to be continuing this tomorrow as well to make some progress towards this game, but I will be doing some research towards this so we can keep progressing. I think next time I'll try to have an NPC. Have an NPC and then try to have dialogue coming up, but we're first going to work with the sign, try to have stuff display on screen with the sign. Anyway, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.